Hi everybody, it's Becca Buncher from River Heights Vineyard, and I hope you enjoyed the story for this week. This is the second activity for kindergartners through 5th graders, and it's really fun and it's really active. You're going to need some pieces of paper, a little bucket, and a bin. First thing you're going to do is write the Bible verse on these little pieces of paper. If your kids are younger, you might want to write a couple of the words, or 3 or 4, and then put them in the bucket. If your kids are a little bit older, then go ahead and make it really challenging and write a single word on each piece of paper. What's going to happen is after you add all of those words from the Bible verse into the bucket, you're going to place it on one end of the room. And then you're going to stand with your bucket on the other side of the room. Just like Isaac, you are going to have to run from one side of the room with your bucket. And then you're going to draw some water, or the Bible verse, one word at a time, into your bucket and run back to the other side of the room, where you're going to put the Bible verse in order, one word or phrase at a time. See how quickly you can do it, and make sure you have a Bible nearby to Romans 14:19 so that you can check and make sure that it's in the right order. After you've played, come back to the video and I'll do a wrap-up activity. Go ahead, hit pause. Welcome back. Hope you liked the game. So our Bible verse starts by saying, "So let us do everything we can to live at peace with people." And that can be really difficult at times. Isaac knew he had to show that he cared for his neighbors by walking away from an argument, by walking away from a chance to get into a fight. He needed to show that he cared about his neighbors and that he trusted that God would take care of him. So my question for you is, what does it look like in your life to show that you care about others more than winning the fight? It's a big question. For me, it looks like I'm at the dinner table and I've just told my daughter to move her milk away from the edge of the table into the middle so it doesn't spill. But she didn't listen to me the first time, and then she knocks it over with her elbow, and it's a complete accident. She didn't mean to, and she's starting to look really upset because she knows I'm going to be angry because she knows she didn't listen to me. And I have the opportunity to say, "Hey, why didn't you just move the milk when I told you to move the milk, kid?" Or instead, I could take a moment and remember that peace means that I need to show her that I care about her more than her mistake. "Hey, oh no, your milk spilled. I wish you would have listened to me. Oh man, what a mess." Tell you what, I am going to get a dish rag and we're going to clean this up together. And then we'll get you another glass of milk, but I'm going to put a lid on it. Peace is making sure that you care about others more than winning, more than being right, and more than the mistake that was made. So, it's hard because I like being right. But I like people more. In that moment, if you need to pray and take a moment, God will help you. Because God knows you can do it. Because loving people is the best. That's what He put us here to do. So show people you care about them and love them by walking away from that fight and making a wise choice, just like Isaac did in today's story.